Have you ever dreaded the trip to the auto repair shop? Most customers expect hidden fees and vague answers. But at Darren's Auto Repair, the experience is different. Darren greets customers openly and offers quotes down to the penny. No mystery, no last-minute surprises. Did you know over 60% of Americans don't trust auto repair shops? That's real stress, real anxiety for so many. But trust isn't earned overnight. It's built with every clear answer, each honest estimate. Darren says, "Transparency drives loyalty. Every customer deserves it. Imagine driving away calm, knowing exactly what you paid for." Stop settling for uncertainty. Next time, choose a shop that's upfront and honest. Ask for the full quote when you walk in. See for yourself how it changes everything. Trust your mechanic. Trust the process. Call Darren today on 63148955555.